Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Mohammad Yaqub Khan, batch 48 PPE. Today we are going to discuss about something fantabulous, something very interesting. That is mindset. Now I believe that a person's mindset is set by three people, three in categories in his life. Number one is their parents, their homeschooling. Like when a child is born, how their parents teach him manners, how their parents teach him different things. Second one is their teachers. What their teachers tell the students at school, what they taught them at school, their manners, their etiquettes, their discipline. The third one is their personal experience from their daily life. Starting, this is me, as you can see, very handsome boy. Okay, now we are going to discuss about a scenario where there are two people arguing. One is a fixed mindset person and the other one is a growth mindset person. They are arguing, and I have quoted some of their daily life quotes, their talks. Let's discuss about them. A fixed mindset person would say that I'm just not good at this. This thing halts the progress before it even begins. It is ultimately a mental roadblock. Henry Ford said that whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. On the other hand, a growth mindset person would say that I can always get better. A growth mindset welcomes challenges as opportunities to improve. It turns hurdles into opportunities. Our Pablo Picasso said that I'm always doing things which I cannot do. In order to learn that, how can I do it? How can I learn this thing? How can I always get better? Moving on next, a fixed mindset person would say that it's not possible. This thing is often rooted as fear rather than fact. Nelson Mandela said that it always seems impossible until it's done. Let's talk about Nelson Mandela. He spent 27 years in jail. He was waiting to be apartheid in South Africa, and eventually he became America's first black president. He shows that even with great mindset and with great passion, you can achieve impossible things. On the other hand, a growth mindset person would say that I will find a way. I will find a way. This mindset turns obstacles into opportunities. This is saying that do what you can with what you have where you are. That is said by Theodore Roosevelt. Moving on next, we have a fixed mindset person would say that what's done, it's done. It's done and dusted. There is no coming back. This thing ignores the power of learning from past mistakes. Henry Ford said that failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, and this time more intelligently. We should muster up our courage, we should reschedule our plans, we should rewrite our scripts, etc. Growth mindset person would say that today is a new chance. I have to begin with a New Zealand zest, with new thoughts, with new courage. A fixed mindset person would say that I can't change who I am. Why would I do that? It's just I am, it's in my nature. It's just a lame excuse. This mindset overlooks the incredible human ability to evolve. Leo said that change is the end result of all true learning. On the other hand, on contrast, a growth mindset person would say that I can adapt and I can change. Because flexibility is a superpower in an ever-changing world. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change, said by Albert Einstein. A fixed mindset person is saying that failure means it's over. Failure is often seen as a dead end, a mental dead end. It's a roadblock, but it's actually a stepping stone. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, but what's count is our courage to continue. That's said by Winston Churchill. On the contrast, we have growth mindset person who would say that I will find out the lesson in this failure. We all know about Thomas Edison, who have invented the light bulb. He said that I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 different ways that won't work. This shows that he tries 10,000 times to invent this little thing that we use in our daily life. This was his mindset, that I should do it. I can do it. Fixed mindset person would say that asking for help shows weakness. This belief isolates us and limits our potentials. No one becomes poor by giving, said by Anne Frank. A growth mindset person on the contrast would say that I will ask for help if I need it. Asking for help doesn't show weakness at all. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Fixed mindset person would say that they are better than me, so why can I try? Why should I try? Comparisons is the thief of joy. A growth mindset person would say that if they can do it, I can do it also, and I can do it better. Ladies and gentlemen, choose your mindset today. Decide today, would you embrace a growth mindset over a fixed mindset? The choice is yours. Thank you very much.